Welcome back, friends. Today we'll play Would You Rather Snakes and Junk Food Edition. But watch out, it will be very delicious or yummy. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thanks and have fun. Would you rather to eat mozzarella sticks or onion rings? Coca-Cola or Pepsi? Would you rather to eat blueberry cheesecake or strawberry cheesecake? Would you rather to eat Cajun fries or plain fries? Would you rather eat Skittles or M&M? Oreo donut or caramel donut? Would you rather eat corn dog or hot dog? Would you rather eat Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks? S'mores or ice cream sandwich? Would you rather eat grilled cheese sandwich or peanut butter and jelly sandwich? Would you rather to eat Hershey's chocolate bar or Reese's peanut butter cup? Chick-fil-A nugget or McDonald's nugget? Would you rather eat pancakes or wafer? Would you rather have vanilla milkshake or chocolate milkshake? Hot Takis or hot Cheetos? Would you rather to eat Kit Kat or Oreos? Would you rather eat peanut butter or Nutella? Domino's pizza or Pizza Hut pizza? Would you rather have cinnamon donut ball McFlurry or Oreo McFlurry? Would you rather to eat croissants or some French toast? KFC or Popeyes? Would you rather to eat Sour Patch Kids or Sweden fish? Would you rather to eat blueberry pies or apple pie? Buttery popcorn or caramel popcorn? Would you rather to eat fish sticks or chicken nuggets? Would you rather to eat Rolos or milk soup? A Wendy Baconator or McDonald's Big Mac? Would you rather drink Sprite or 7-Up? Would you rather have salted caramel ice cream or cookies and cream ice creams? Mac and cheese or fries and cheese? Would you rather to eat Twists or Mars? Would you rather to eat Jolly Ranchers or Lifesaver? Wendy's or Chick-fil-A? Would you rather eat Lucky Charms or Fruit Loops? Would you rather to eat McDonald's hash brown or Burger King hash brown? Cheez-Its or Goldfish? Would you rather to eat vanilla cupcake or chocolate cupcake? Would you rather have Gatorades or Powerade? Chicken tenders or smashy tenders? Would you rather to eat rice pudding or chocolate pudding? Would you rather to eat cupcakes or muffins? Pringles or Lay's? Would you rather to eat smiley fries or Curly's fries? Would you rather eat Twizzlers or red wines? Buffalo wings or fried chicken? Monster Energy or Red Bull? Would you rather to eat jelly berry or gummy bear? Would you rather have extra large fries or small fries? Would you rather eat McDonald's or macarons? Burger King or Taco Bell? And now pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.